Hey guys, in today's video we have the Traxxas Haas, there it is, out here at the park. And as you see, there's nobody else out here. We got the whole place to ourselves, and I'm really excited to be out here today. I came out here last weekend, Labor Day, which is the weekend that I filmed the first video with my Haas, and I came out here on Labor Day with no camera or anything, just drove it around and got a feel for the truck. Had so much fun. I had an absolute blast out here, and I could not wait to get back out here and to film some of the stuff that I was doing, and just to show you guys. It was just, this thing does some really cool tricks, it's some really cool stuff, and I can't wait to get it on film. So let's go ahead and get the battery in this thing and get it rolling. Running the same batteries I was running last time, the 3-cell 5000 milliamp. There we go. They're the same batteries I use in my e-Revo. Fast, isn't it? Let's take it over to the big parking lot and open it up. They say that's 40 miles an hour. I believe it. It definitely feels like it. I think it's fast and accelerates so quick. And you can pick the front end up. And even though you can pick the front end up like that, when you're at higher speeds, it doesn't just come off the ground when you gun it. That was cool. I can see it stays pretty grounded when you turn. I mean, it will roll over. But you see, it doesn't roll over too terribly easy. That grinding noise you hear, I'm not entirely sure what it is. I think it is whenever you are turning and it's coming up like this, the tires are grabbing the body. I'm not entirely sure that's what it is. That's what it sounds like to me. If you guys know what it is, like if it's the gears or something, I mean, it doesn't really sound like gears to me. But if you guys know what it is, leave a comment in the description below, or not in the description, in the comment area. Because I never hear it unless I'm doing turns. So I never hear it when it's going straight or anything like that. I'm practicing ollieing it up and on the stuff. Ooh, like that. And off stuff. This thing is so cool to drive. Good job. I wish you guys could have seen that landing. That was the most beautiful ollie up on that curb I have done, and I wasn't filming from that angle. I was filming, you know, because I don't have the camera on my head, and it was just like you put a $500 camera in the way and you learn how to do something real quick, real nice, right? I didn't want to hit the camera. I was so concerned, and I just landed this thing up here so beautifully. I wish I had, you know, you can hear it. You can hear how nicely it lands on the video. All right, I'm gonna try to ollie it up here, then see what we can do coming off these stairs. If I can ollie it down the stairs or whatever. I'm not sure it'll do it. I'm sure it'll jump the stairs and clear them. I'm not sure it'll ollie down though. Ah, not quite. I'm just gonna see if I can jump down these stairs and see what we can do with that. really cool. I don't know why, but it's so satisfying to go over these speed bumps. It just barely comes off the ground. Normally I like to come out here and go up and down this hill. It's just a lot of fun to jump off of kind of and float down it. But the Haas overheats if I keep going up this hill. It's just too much work for it, and that grass is too thick and it causes it to overheat and shut down. I don't know how hot it gets, but I know it overheats. It's a very satisfying drop. Look how much control you have of this little thing. All that was intentional. Well, I mean, not what the Haas was doing, like against my will, but me controlling it. All that was me doing it on purpose. This thing is so easy to save from fails and mistakes. Haas is not a rock crawler. Let's get it down in there. I haven't tried this yet. Let's see if it will ollie over this little ditch or whatever. I'm not sure I can do it, but we're going to try. That was so cool. I can't believe it made that. All right, changing locations a little bit. Same park. Oh, that was I'm getting pretty good at ollieing this thing. We're gonna come over here to these stairs, see if we can do something off these stairs. Oh, that was really cool. I don't know if I can get over this curb right here. Let's see if we can figure this out. I can't believe we did that. Did you see that? That was so cool. Man, this thing is cool. This thing is so cool. Yeah, you can see this curb over here is oh, got it. I didn't land too well, but I broke something. Where's all my let's see what we broke. Drive shaft. Yep, what did I tell you? The drive shafts are gonna go. That is pretty rough. So is that the only one broke? Luckily, I have some spares. Quick and easy repair. See, the drive shaft broke right here, which I have never seen a drive shaft break right there. Usually they break right there in the U-joint. So luckily it uses the exact same drive shafts as the Rustler, and I had a couple of spares, so easy enough to fix. All right, back in business. Let's jump this little curb right here. That's how we break this thing, right? Woo. Totally meant to do that. All the way down these stairs. We're gonna see if we can ollie out over that grass and land. We're gonna try to ollie over this part right here and see if we can land on the other side. I did it. Do it again. Well, we broke the other front drive shaft. So we broke the right one, then we broke the left one. And yeah, so I guess that's it for today. Whether I want it to be or not, I don't have a choice. I'm out of drive shafts, and I found out the rear and the front drive shafts are not the same. They're not the same parts numbers. The rear drive shafts don't exactly fit just right if you put them on the front. So I did put a rear drive shaft on there, and it kind of works, but doesn't fit in the caster block correctly. So you really shouldn't do that. I'm going to take it off and put the proper ones on there. I don't know if they make metal drive shafts for the Rustler 4x4. Which, you know, basically it's the same as the Haas. I'm gonna see if they make metal ones and put them on there, and if I do put metal ones on there, they may start tearing differentials out. I don't know yet. We'll put them on there and figure it out. I'm not sure what caused those drive shafts to break. I think it was all the ollies I was doing. I bet you I did 200 ollies out here. I've been doing ollies for like an hour straight. I was ollieing over everything. I was seeing where I could jump, where I could ollie over, and I was just having a blast with this thing. Of course, I didn't film all the ollies. You mean what you can do? Sit or watch 20 minutes of a Haas ollieing over everything, which actually might be pretty cool. But yeah, I did a lot of jumps today. This thing took a lot of abuse. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't show you. I tumbled down the stairs so many times. It really took a beating. I think it held up pretty well, even though I did break the drive shafts, which I told you that was going to be the weak point, right? But I was expecting the rear drive shafts to break, but instead I broke the front drive shaft. So that's the way it goes. But yeah, I guess that's all I got for you guys. That's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Hit that like button if you like that video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a blast making it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. But yeah, share it with your friends, get some traction. And yeah, that's all I got for you today, guys. So thank you so much, and I will see you later.